Thanks for tuning into my video. In this video today, I'm going to show you how I made this two-tier Glam Lazy Susan. I used a lot of really inexpensive items, some from Goodwill, some from Walmart. So if you're interested in learning how to making this beautiful Lazy Susan, just stay tuned. I'm not sure how well you can hear me, but so I got this Lazy Susan at Walmart, and it was, I really can't remember to be quite honest with you, but I want to say it was like $6 or so. And so I'm just gonna spray paint the edges here, just here and the little post with this Krylon like metallic silver, just because this plate is gonna be covered by the mirror. Now that I have everything painted, I'm going to go ahead and adhere the mirror to the Lazy Susan. I got these round mirrors. It was an 8-pack at Goodwill for $4, so it was an absolute steal. And the mirror is almost the perfect size. It is slightly larger, so I'm definitely going to just watch my placement and make sure that it's just even. It will leave like a little lip, so to speak, but I mean it's still not anywhere noticeable enough to warrant any sort of like sealing or anything up the edges. All right. So here's the final product. I mean, I am so happy with this Lazy Susan. I just kind of put some stuff on here just to show you what it looks like, and you know, in the finished product. I'm really happy how everything turned out, and I think that I can even add on to this, put some studs around here. So that's the beauty of DIY projects, is even if you're satisfied with how things came out, you know, you can still add on some more things, you know, to make it more how you would like to see it. I mean, overall, this project, if I had to put a number on it, cost me less than $10, realistically, between what I got at Goodwill and what I got at Walmart, plus the leftover spray paint that I had. It really helped to make this really, really inexpensive. So I think that's the beauty of it. You know, you make these things for yourself. They're a fun task to do, and they end up saving you tons of money than buying pre-made things from Home Goods or any other home store. So please, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'm trying to build my YouTube channel. I apologize for my dog barking in the background. But please give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you ever want to see any more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I'm slowly trying to build my channel and get more subscribers and more coverage, just so that I can share all of my unique craft projects and other things to the world. So thanks for tuning in, and have a lovely day. Bye.